Umar Abdullah lost, Engineer Rashid won the election. His suddenly there was a vote surge and people never expected. So what's your assessment of J&K? Let's put that on table. How do you see this election panning out?
So I will restrain my comments to Kashmir region only
Okay,
because I don't have an on-ground insight on the Jammu region.
fair enough.
In Kashmir, national conference is strong. PDP is mostly it has been hollowed out because all of their MLAs and MPs and whatever they have moved to Apni party and other parties. So it is national conference which is strong. Yes, in many of the cases, the independents will play a huge role, especially Sarjan Barkati and the other person who has contested from Jamaat-e Islami. What's his name? The guy from Biru. So these people, like some of these independents, will play a big role. And Engineer Rashid being out of jail, yes, of course, it will sway the election in a very big way. लेकिन जैसे मेरे से पहले भी जो पैनलिस्ट है उन्होंने कहा कि ये जो इलेक्शन होता है फाइनली इट इज ऑन वेरी लाइक इट इज नॉट ऑलवेज ऑन द मोस्ट रैशनल ग्राउंड्स इट इज ऑन वेरी डीप सीटेड लॉयल्टीज so for example even if you ask me as a resident of Srinagar city my own bias is pro NC. So NC is a strong player, but yes, some of the independents who have come into the fray now, they are, they will play a big role. They will sway a lot of, like they may even win some seats. But then that is what democracy is. This is what the parties have been clamoring for. PDP, NC. ये लोग 9-10 महीने से तो यही बोल रहे हैं कि डेमोक्रेसी रेस्टोर करो डेमोक्रेसी तो होगी डेमोक्रेसी रेस्टोर दिस इज व्हाट डेमोक्रेसी लुक्स लाइक and now they should be secure. This is my message to the NC and the Congress and whatever Indie Alliance, Broad Indie Alliance, whatever is happening there. This is my message to them. They should be secure because this is not 1987. 1987 being a reference to the rigged elections of 1987, which birthed the Kashmir insurgency, which threw us into turmoil. So BJP here is putting nation above party and holding a very free and fair election जिसमें even जमाती secessionist हुर्रियत वालों के बच्चे भी contest कर रहे हैं और सबको level playing field मिल रहा है
What,
सबको free and fair ground मिल रहा है.
what's your
This is what
assessment of
democracy
Engineer
actually
Rashid,
looks like.
Shaila? What's your
How?
Engineer Rashid, and why did he win by such a big margin? No one even wrote an
Uh,
article about him, if you recall in Lok Sabha election. Not
See,
one
it was very
line.
surprising because in 2019 he lost to a man like Akbar Lone, and in 2024 he won against Umar Abdullah. So elections, as the panelist before me also said, they are all about sympathy, they are all about emotion, they are all about sentiment. It is not always rational. तो वो क्योंकि जेल में थे तो इसलिए उनको उस टाइम एक वो सेंटिमेंट का मिला. हाँ, अब मैं ये कहना चाहूंगी कि जहां जहां पे उन्होंने स्ट्रॉन्ग कैंडिडेट्स खड़े किए हैं जैसे गांधरबल में शेख आशिक को खड़ा किया है. शेख आशिक is a strong candidate. He has been a business leader also. He has been in the KCCI. So yes, he will sort of create a problem for Umar Abdullah in that constituency, in Gaunderbal constituency. Now, what I was trying to say here is that government of India is doing a very good job by ensuring a free and fair election here and allowing all kind of forces to contest and not rigging the election, not tilting the level playing field in anyone's favor. I would actually like to quote one of my fellow panelists जो दानिश ने एक बार बड़ा अच्छा वीडियो डाला था कुछ दिन पहले जिसमें उन्होंने कहा कि यार जितने भी प्रॉक्सीज हो वो जनता हराती है इलेक्शन या जनता जिताती है. आप प्रॉक्सीज के बारे में क्यों व्हाई आर यू स्ट्रेसिंग अबाउट प्रॉक्सीज. सो आई रियली लाइक दैट पॉइंट बाय दानिश कि पीपल स्टिल हैव अ राइट ना टू वोट फॉर एनसी. तो इनफैक्ट एनसी को जब भी पूछा जाता था कि आप तो डायनास्टिक पॉलिटिक्स हो आप तो डायनास्टी पार्टीज हो वो एग्जैक्टली यही लॉजिक देते थे कि भाई डेमोक्रेसी में तो डायनास्टीज को भी हक है ना. पीपल हैव अ राइट टू चूज डायनास्टीज. सो दैट इज एग्जैक्टली द मैसेज टू एनसी एंड पीडीपी की ये जो एक छोटे से इलेक्शन के लिए पूरे वो कश्मीर को रेडिकलाइज ना करें.